Hello everyone, welcome to Worldly Things. I'm Killed Shark and this is a Worldly review, and we'll be reviewing this Victorinox Swiss Army knife Evo Grip 18. It says here it has 15 functions, which is really cool, and I've heard that this knife design is good. The original Swiss Army knife. Lifetime warranty, made in Switzerland. So when we go back here, we actually see all of its features here. It tells about its weight in ounces, its overall size, and here's a list of all the features on here. Try to get this in. Oh, there, that's better. Got two different languages, so I'm assuming the other's French. Oh, darn it. Stupid. Hit the camera. Okay, I guess I'll try and read it from my Spectrum. There's 2.5 edge blade, nail file with nail cleaner, lever design, serrated edge scissors, can opener with screwdriver, cap lifter with large locking screwdriver, a wire stripper, 2 3/4 inch double cut wood saw, Phillips screwdriver, a punch reamer, keyring, tweezers, and of course a toothpick. And we'll be comparing it to my older Swiss Army knife, which is the Spartan, which, based on the Amazing Race one season, is the best-selling model that they ever have. And I'll be cutting it out. Actually, I think I might use a smaller blade for safety reasons. Been using the Spartan knife for like maybe a few years, I think. And I finally decided to get this Evo Grip just because I wanted to get better tools for it. Gotta try this again. Come on. There we go. Definitely heavier compared to the Spartan. Very different handle length. So, let's go over the pieces. With the Spartan, it's got the keychain, toothpick, and tweezers. It's got the reamer and the, what's its face? Punch reamer. And one big difference between this is that it doesn't have a Phillips screwdriver, but instead it has a bottle opener. But I don't find it that convenient in my opinion, since I don't really drink wine or anything. And of course, another big difference is instead of like a nail file on the Evo Grip, this has got like the smaller blade, which is kind of convenient when you're opening boxes, and large blades aren't that appropriate to have because they might damage the packaged items. And of course, we got the can opener with the small screwdriver head, and I never really could figure out how to open a bottle using this. Yes. And then we have the bottle opener with the slightly bigger screwdriver head. And I guess this is the wire stripper right here. Like, this has worked pretty good. And of course, the big daddy in this is the 2.5 inch blade. At least I think it's 2.5 inch blade. Like, the Spartan knife has been good to me, especially when I go out to do my clients' is lawn care. If there's like small branches growing way too low, oh, I just take this knife and I cut it. But I decided to upgrade it. I have it to replace it with this Evo grip, mainly because the saw edge will probably be more convenient to cut branches that aren't young, but rather have like a bark coating. So, move this over a bit. So, we'll check out the knife here. Oh, better do a size comparison. Actually, they're pretty much downright the same length, which is pretty good. Very good. And feels pretty sharp. So, it does come sharp out of the package, which is good news. Of course, there's the butt can opener with this flathead screwdriver, the bottle opener, other screwdriver head, and wire stripper. Then, let's see. And here is the bigger blade, the wood saw blade. And this feels a little bit aggressive here, which is very good to have. Like, I can even feel in this grip that this would definitely be good. Like, they did a real good idea putting these integral scales on there, whereas this doesn't feel as comfortable. And let's see, where else? Okay, right here. Here are the serrated scissors. Like, I don't know if the camera could get it, but they are serrated. Come on, camera. Focus in better. Don't know if any of you could catch that. Come on. You stupid camera. Well, anyway, they are serrated. And they feel pretty good. For serrated knives. Again, I never close this properly. So then here's the nail file / nail cleaner. Gonna try and clean a bit of my nail here. Works kind of good. Although I don't really file my nail. But it's pretty handy to have because you never know. Oh, so that's almost, yeah, that's pretty much it for the main part. And here's a screwdriver, which is a lot more appropriate to have rather than a bottle opener, in my opinion. Then, whoa, there's a reamer point here. A little bit sharp here. Like, feels real good here. Now to compare, I think I shall compare the sharpness to each of these things. Like, I've been sharpening this Spartan blade for a while, and it's pretty sharp in my opinion. Gonna try this again. Pretty sharp right there. And now let's check out the small blade here. Here, let's see about its sharpness here. Pretty sharp. Yeah, sharpening is good over the years. Now let's compare that to the new Evo Grip 18 to see how sharp it is right out of the box. Just gonna do a new page from here and go like this. Wow, that's sharp. Very sharp. Now, how about we try the saw blade? Wait. Go try the spine right here. Oh, now that's aggressive right here. Very aggressive design. Right on there. Now, how about we try the snips? Gonna try right about here. Oh wow, it cut pretty much clean through the pages here. Like, that is really good. Very good. Like, I'll even compare it to the small tweezers here I got. Right here. Like, they're not really sharp at all. Like, hell to show. Can't even cut through it. Yeah, even with a single page. Nope, can't even cut it. Like, this scissors thing is just so dull. So, well, these threaded scissors are great design. Like, I'm not even putting too much pressure on here. And it cuts this practically like cardboard or butter. Man, this is good. So, based on my first impressions of this knife, I think it's a great design, great feel to it. Whether you're sawing it or like cutting some stuff, it's definitely got a good grip, especially for a guy with my big hands. So I definitely recommend getting the Evo Grip knife. Alright, so this has been a Worldly review on Worldly Things. I'm Killer Shark, and have a good day.